Within the video submenu can be found the HDMI option. The HDMI option can be utilised by simply plugging a HDMI cable into the Adaptiv side port. Once connected, attach the opposite end to your smartphone. You can then watch videos from your smartphone on your car's display. Also found within the video menu is the TV option. By attaching a DVB tuner, you can watch terrestrial television on your car's display, as well as change the channel by using the side controls. The amount of channels available to you is dependent on your location and signal strength. If we go now to the media submenu, you are able to access any and all information held on a USB. This includes music, videos and pictures. This can also be done with an SD card and iPod once connected. By attaching a DAB interface to the Adaptiv, you can access a range of DAB channels, all shown in alphabetical order. The amount of channels depends on your location and signal strength. In the System Settings menu, you can alter an array of options concerning an aftermarket camera, the HDMI input, the language portrayed and much more. You also have the additional option to view and access files and information regarding the Adaptiv software.